Number 1. What is the capital of France? Paris, Budapest, Madrid. It's Paris. Number 2. What is the capital of Italy? Berlin, Milan, Rome. It's Rome. Number 3. What is the capital of Germany? Pisa, Miami, Berlin. It's Berlin. Number 4. What is the capital of Spain? Munich, Madrid, Tokyo. It's Madrid. Number 5. What is the capital of Canada? London, Ottawa, Toronto. It's Ottawa. Number 6. What is the capital of Australia? Sydney, Canberra, Venice. It's Canberra. Number 7. What is the capital of Switzerland? Bern, Moscow, Geneva. It's Bern. Number 8. What is the capital of Sweden? Stockholm, Zurich, Oslo. It's Stockholm. Number 9. What is the capital of Turkey? Istanbul, Jeddah, Kazan. It's Istanbul. Final one. What is the capital of Russia? Moscow, Busan, Jakarta. It's Moscow.